guys, what's up? It's Rainbow Pegasus here, and today we will be building the mobile community command center. And so it's like a police station, and here's a look, and it's a Lego city, and here's are some parts of it on the back. There's like a motorcycle, these Lego guys, the dog, the command center. Okay, so let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh, it's like bags. That's like part of the command center. What?
Are there numbers on the bag?
Yeah. 4, that's 4. 1.
And can I get one out? Can I get one out?
I'll get one.
I'll get this one. And this one is 2.
And then last one is 3. The big pieces, there's nothing in there, Brandon. With 4.
Put it close to us.
Yeah, put it closer to you.
Okay.
Manual,
So there's like, Brandon, stop! Oh my god.
My pants are falling.
So these are like the dogs, all the pieces that there is, and in the back it's how to build them and what they look like.
And there's 2 ones.
Now let's go in time-lapse mode and build this puppy.
Let's do it.
So guys, we're finally done with it. So as you can see right here, it can open this. Then so let me put that back there. So there's like this little bad girl and this bad guy right here. And so they are the bad guys. And over here.
Wait, I can show them this. This is the police officer.
And then here's the guard dog. Very tiny. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. Bye. Oh, and make sure you subscribe and give us a comment. And like.